Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am giving you lecture on number system for first year. Chapter is data representation. Before this I introduce myself. I am Asma Qazi, Assistant Professor HOD, Department of Computer Science at Government Girls Degree College, Kasmabad, Hyderabad. For this topic my reference book is Computer Studies by Gulshehzad Sarwar. Data representation. Data representation considers how a computer uses numbers to represent data inside the computer. In digital technologies, discrete representation of information using number codes. Data may include characters, for example, alphabets, letters, numbers, and symbols, images, sounds, and/or instruction that, when represented by number codes, can be manipulated, stored, and communicated by digital number system. This is different forms of data. Data such as images, numbers, characters, comments, etc. But computer is not manipulated or store this form of data until convert it into number codes. For converting data into number codes, we use digital number system. This consists on 4 number system, which are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system. This number system we use in our daily life is based on 10 digits, 0 to 9. Using these digits, we can express any quantity. It is also called as base 10 system because it makes use of 10 digits. The number base is also called as the radix. The decimal system is a positional value system, also called as place value notation, in which the value of digit depends on its position. This is the weight structure of the decimal number system. The number just to the left of the decimal is whole number, which is 327, and represent a quantity 302 tens and 7 units. The position of each digit in a decimal number indicates the magnitude of the quantity, and assign a weight is power of 10 that increase from right to left, beginning with 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. As we move left, every number place is 10 times bigger, as ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. For fractional number, the weights are negative. Power of 10 that decrease from left to right, beginning with 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. As we move further right, every number place is 10 times smaller, like tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. In this slide, I show you a different weight of power 10 according to position value. Binary number system. In mathematics and digital electronics, a binary number is a number expressed in base 2 numeral system, which use only two symbols, typically 0 and 1, for supporting all the counting tasks. Each digit is referred as bit. A string of 4 bits is called nibble. 8 bits make a byte. The base 2 numeral system is a positional notation with a radix of 2. This is a weight structure of the binary number system. Like the decimal system, binary number system also have positional value system with a weight is power of 2. For whole number just left of point, weight is positive that increase from right to left, beginning with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, then 2 power 3. Or we can say 1s, 2s, 4s and 8. In this number before decimal, the rightmost digit is 1. Multiply with 1s. Second, multiply with 2s. Then 4th. Then 8. Fractional part, that is right after decimal weight, are negative. They decrease from left to right, beginning with 2 power minus 1 equal to 0.5, then 2 power minus 2 equal to 0.25, then 2 power minus 3 equal to 0.125. Counting in binary number. In this table, I show you binary numbers. In every number system, 0 and 1 are the same. Making binary counting, we use power of 2 structure. That is, start from 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and so on, which is equal to 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16s and so on, from right to left. For making number 1 is present in this code, so we just on that bit. For making number 2, which is also present, so we on number 2 bit and put 0 on right side. For number 3, which is not present in this code, so we add bit 1 and 2. That's why we make on both bits 1 and 2. For the number 5, it is also not present, so we add bit 4 and 1 and put 0 between them. Similarly, we will make other numbers. In this slide, I show you common mistakes in binary number system. The first number is 10101, but here base is 10, which is in the decimal number system. In the second number, the number is 2011. In this number, the mistake is 2, which is not present in the binary number system. In the third number, 11 decimal 10, base is 10. Here, base 10 is an error. Octal number system. The octal number system provides convenient and shorter way to express binary numbers and codes, and therefore much easier to work with it. So this number system is used in computer and microprocessors to express binary quantities for input and output purpose. The octal number system has the base or radix of 8. 8 different symbols are used to represent numbers, which are 0 to 7. This is weight structure of the octal number system. The number just the left of the point is a whole number. As we move left, every number place is 8 times bigger. The first is 8 power 0, then 8 power 1, which is equal to 8, then 8 power 2 equal to 64, then 8 power 3 equal to 512 and so on. The first digit on right of the decimal point weight is 8 power minus 1 equal to 0.125, then 8 power minus 2 equal to 0.0156 and so on. As we move further left to right, every number place is 8 times smaller. In this table, I show you by positional notation octal number and their decimal equivalent. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal numbers are used in microcomputer. They are much shorter than binary numbers. This makes them easy to write and remember. The hexadecimal number system has a base or radix of 16. 16 different symbols are used to represent numbers, which are 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E and F. This is the weight structure of the hexadecimal number system. The number just to the left of hexadecimal point is 2e6. According to position value system, assigned weight is power of 16. 16 power 0 to 6, 16 power 1 to e, where e is equal to 14, and 16 power 2 to 2. As we move right to left, each number place is 16 times bigger. Fractional part, that is right side after the hexadecimal point. Weight are negative, that is 16 power minus 1 to a, where a is equal to 10, and 16 power minus 2 assigned to 3. As we move left to right, every number place is 16 times smaller. In this table, by positional notation, hexadecimal number and their decimal equivalent. Thanks for watching.